everything will be like fabulous, and it's like blows up like a piece of turd in a fan. Hello and welcome to Imperfect Garden. My name is Robert. Today we're going to do a surprise video. Not really a surprise video, it was more like yesterday. I had no idea what kind of video I should do today. I was thinking a lot when I was at work, and I'm like, hydroponics. That was a long time we did anything about that. We only did the beginning when I bought the materials, but maybe we should continue building it. So it's like, yes, let's do the second video or third video, I can't remember, about how to make your own hydroponic bucket of cultivation. I don't know the proper words for that. Never mind. Let's do it. So what do we need? Well, of course, we need a bucket, of course, with a lid. We need some power tools, of course, because we need to drill holes for the baskets, the plug basket things to be through the lid, so the roots can hang down into the water with the nutrition. Well, we have some, like metal files to like even out the holes and stuff like that. And finally, and probably the most important thing, we need something to put in the bucket. And here we have our lettuces. We have a pak soy, and we have one green and one red, and I can't remember which one is which. One like small leaf lettuce. So let's start and just take these up, maybe, and see, do we have any roots? Because if we don't have any roots on this, we have to wait a little bit longer. But we can start to make the holes in the bucket and do the preparation, and then just wait a little bit longer for the lettuces to grow the roots. So let's take the camera and take it close and see, do we have long enough roots? As I say, they are a little bit small. I'm not sure if we will have long enough roots. Let's take one of the pak soys. Of course, it's in peat, that is a plug peat, that is in a plug holder, and we have some soil, and then it's like in one small cultivation pot. So let's start now with the pak soy and take it out and see, do we have any roots at all? And I would say no. Bloody hell, we have no roots at all. I thought by now we should have something sticking out. Put it back in. From problem we have to cultivate a little bit longer. Let's try one of the lettuces too. I hope we have something sticking out. No, nothing. This is a very boring video now. Maybe they need to grow even more before, or the peat is too dense for it. I don't know. Let's put that back in again. This was a very, very boring thing. So I would say that let's continue on. There's no point in looking at the other ones. These need to grow a lot more. So let's continue on and building the bucket instead. In each of these buckets, I have two. I want to drill 4 holes. So I can have 4 of the plug holders going through. And of course, in here we have the nutrition, with the water with nutrition. So let's just start and make the first holes. I have measured it out, so it's pretty even, because I like to have some symmetry. The first one, let's take off the plastic. Second one. And of course we need to take one of the lettuces and try, because I have no more plug holders. And the fourth one. Very good. Let's now clean off all the plastics. This like that, and see how far we are. Here we have one of the pak soys in the holder, and let's see how well it fits. And it fits like a glove. Look at this. Yeah, so when we lift it up, I will turn it. It you can see like this. And from here, the roots could of course grow down and into the water. Oh, this is so cool. I wish the roots could just start growing a little bit faster. Or if I need to do something extra to help them on the way, like removing the peat or something, I have no idea. I need to look it up online. So, this is the whole idea. We will have 4 lettuces that will grow and we can pick them and eat them as we want, as we will. Quite easily. This is one of the most disappointing videos I have ever made in my whole life. Here I think like, oh, I will make a cool video. We make the bucket, we're finishing it, and we take up the cup holder, and we will have roots, and we put them in, and we put in water and nutrition, and everything will be like fabulous. And it's like, blows up like a piece of turd in a fan. Okay, we will have to wait. I will post this video, like a fail video, and probably we need to wait for the lettuces a couple more weeks. But at least the bucket has a hole now, so yeah, we have 2 buckets. I will not show you when I drill the holes in the other one, of course. That would be too disappointing. Nah, we wait a couple of more weeks. I will try to take them up and see if we start having a little bit of roots. I will probably see if I could help the roots come through the peat. If that is one of the problems, that it's not strong enough to go through the peat. I don't know. They look, my lettuce is a little bit weak. I need to see if I have... I don't think I have too little water. I don't think I don't have too much water. I need to see the level of warmth and sun. Am I missing something? If maybe I have a deficiency in warmth and sun. So I will have a look into that, and we will come back and continue the hydroponic buckets, and that will be all. Thank you for watching this miserable video. Like, I don't know, don't give me likes, don't give me comments, and don't subscribe, because this is a shit video. Goodbye.